Wow, I'm finally here in Singapore. Hey there.
Your first time here?
Yes, flew across hundreds of miles of ocean.
This is a nice place, but you'll have to learn to adapt like the humans, just as the foreign workers do. You want to be happy here? Well, stick to the law, and remember that the habits that are okay at home may not be okay with the locals here.
What do you mean?
Come fly with me. I'll explain. Fighting is a very serious offense. They can be jailed for up to 7 years, caned, and deported. Stealing and robbery are serious offenses too. Those who commit the crimes will end up in prison. Litter destroys the beauty of our garden city. The last thing we want is a nest full of nasty pests like cockroaches or rats. Pests spread diseases. That's filthy. Diseases can spread through spits. Not to mention, spitting and urinating in public are breaking the law too. You will most definitely be fined for committing the offense. Getting drunk and behaving in an unruly manner, asking for trouble.
Yuck! Disgusting!
He can be fined up to $1,000 and imprisoned for up to 1 month. This is a small and densely populated island. Every thoughtless act affects others around you, such as leaving rubbish behind and gathering in large numbers and blocking others. He should not inconvenience his neighbors by cluttering the common corridor with his junk.
Those are fire hazards too.
And making such a din. No. Since we're living so close to each other, be sure there is no stagnant water to prevent mosquito breeding.
I heard about the dengue fever they spread. You can be seriously ill for a long time.
They should clean up after meals and dispose of their rubbish properly. Clean quarters are important. A dirty living place attracts pests. Pests spread diseases. They've worked so hard for a better living, so they should be careful about their savings. Carrying large amounts of cash around makes them easy prey. They should always keep their money in the bank and valuables locked up. A cyclist should never go on expressways or against the flow of traffic. Talking on the phone while cycling? Get off the phone! What was he thinking? Now, do you realize that every act has consequences? Everything you do affects yourself or others. Everyone needs to be mindful of their actions, no matter how small it seems. Be on your way now. Remember what you've learned today.
Thanks for the tips. I sure have learned a lot today.
Be safe now.